The Lexus RC is a two-door, four-seat coupe that was new for the 2015 model year to the Lexus lineup. It indirectly replaced the IS coupe-convertible. Competitors include the Audi A5, BMW 4 Series, Infiniti Q60, and Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe, as well as Cadillac's ATS Coupe. The RC is one of the most adventurous styling pieces in the Lexus lineup. A sinister-looking rendition of the hourglass grille is in place on the RC's nose. The roofline is fast and sporty, and the rear is slashed with vents and cut lines. The RC has a true cockpit, with banks of controls oriented toward the driver. There's a high-end audio feel to the rest of the cabin, with a large display screen and an infotainment controller dominating the dash and console. Base RC coupes are powered by a 241 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder. A mid-range 3.5-liter V6 has either 260 horsepower or 311 horsepower depending on the model. The top of the line is the RCF, which draws on a 5-liter V8 for 467 horsepower. Most RC coupes have rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic, but some models offer all-wheel drive. In its most efficient form, the RC has EPA fuel economy ratings over 30 mpg. With the Turbo 4, the Lexus RC isn't exactly fast, but power is reasonable once underway. The 3.5-liter V6 makes good power and pipes in a sporty sound. With the F Sport package, the RC moves into true sport coupe territory in terms of handling. The RCF, it's fearsomely quick and sounds terrific, but it's too heavy to handle as well as its German rivals. The RC's interior is sized well for 2 passengers, and the best seats offer great bolstering. The back seats are just too small to serve any passenger well. Folding them down provides access to the trunk in all models except the RCF. While the NHTSA hasn't crash-tested the RC, the IIHS has rated it as a top safety pick plus. Active safety tech such as forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking is standard. Options include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors, and automatic headlights. Starting from the low 40,000s, the RC comes with automatic climate control, LED headlamps, and Bluetooth. Major options include heated and ventilated front seats, a sunroof, and navigation.